In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to ensure your 3D model is perfectly scaled in Blender, allowing for even and precise applications of the Bevel tool. We'll walk through this process step by step, ensuring your model is set up correctly and ready for the next stages of your creative project. Whether you're a beginner or just looking for a refresher, this guide will provide clarity and insight into using these essential tools in Blender. To start off, you need to make sure you're in object mode. One easy way to check is to press the Tab key. If you're in edit mode, pressing Tab will switch you back to object mode. Alternatively, you can manually select the object and press Tab to exit edit mode. This is a critical step because applying transformations like scale, location, or rotation should generally be done in object mode to ensure they're applied correctly to the entire object. Once you're in object mode and your object is selected, it's time to apply the scale. This ensures that any size changes you've made to your object are properly consolidated. To do this, press Ctrl and A at the same time. This will open up the Apply menu, and from there, you want to select Scale. By confirming this action, you're telling Blender that the current scale of your object should be considered the default, ensuring no unexpected outcomes when further modifying your object. There is also an alternative way to apply scale if you prefer using the menu options. Navigate to the Object menu found at the top of your Blender interface. From there, hover over Apply and then select Scale from the drop-down menu. This method achieves the same result but might suit your workflow better depending on your preference for using menu options versus hotkeys. After you've applied the scale, it's very important to double-check that everything is in order. You can do this by pressing the N key, which opens up the side panel on the right. Navigate to the Item tab where you'll find the scale values listed. You want to make sure these values all read as +1011. If they do, this confirms that the scale has been applied correctly and your object is uniformly scaled based on its current dimensions. Now, let's go back into edit mode by pressing Tab. With the scale correctly set, you can apply your Bevel tool again. It should now work evenly across your model without any of the unevenness or unexpected results that can occur if the scale hasn't been properly set. This ensures your edges have a consistent, professional look, enhancing the quality of your model. And there you have it. By following these steps, you now know how to apply and check scale effectively in Blender, making sure your 3D models are always ready for further editing. Keep experimenting and happy modeling.